Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Bath and Body Works. My little friend is here too. The new spring summer scents. Some are new, maybe some are already from previous years, but let's see what I got for the upcoming spring summer season. She's so close, my little friend. I have the box right here. Let's see what we pull out first. Oh, this, I wonder, is this one new? I think this is new, but I'm not sure. But I've never really paid attention. I don't think, I've never had this one before. Meet Me in Miami. So this is the body cream. And, oh, lucky me, I pulled out this one also. The body cream and the perfume. This looks so nice in summer and springy that I got a few of these just to lay out to have when I put all my other scents away. And, oh look, this one too. So this one, oh, it's a body wash. Okay. I love that. The whole 3 items. There might be one more, there might not. We'll take a look. I know I have a few more of these that I got. I want to smell this actually. Let me see if this one, because I've never smelled that. Oh, that's very nice. I like that. I don't want to spray that on right now, but there's that. Look at I like the bottle and the packaging. This was a little box today. Sometimes I'm not too happy with the way they send things, so that fell off. But I hear it in here. We'll grab it in a bit. Oh, look at this one. Fresh cut lilacs. That will be nice for spring and summer now. This one I believe I've had before. I know that one smells nice. Oh, I like this one. Look, At the Beach. And I love the packaging, and it's got like a texture to it. These are smooth, but this has a texture. And this will be really nice on the tray for spring and summer at the beach. What else have we got here? I hope everyone's having a good day. I hope everyone likes the video. Go ahead, hit like, hit subscribe, so that way you can always be subscribed and get my videos and see what I haul. And if you hit the bell, you'll always be notified at first posting of the video. So here's another one of the Meet Me in Miami. Such a catchy name for the perfume. And another one here. And, oh, okay. Beautiful Day. This is pretty and springy, but also summery. I'm going to be putting my collection of perfumes together. I do a spring, summer, fall, and winter, so I break the year up into 3. I'll be doing that shortly. There we go. That one's really pretty. Let's see if I can. Oh wow, this one really does smell like, this one says Beautiful Day, but there's like daisy, so I kind of get a little bit of the daisy hint. It's gonna be nice. Oh, the lid fell off. Oh, look at this one. Sea Salt Coast. Another one to go with this one here. At the Beach and Sea Salt Coast. I love the way they name their fragrances. Draw you in. Oh, there's a couple. Oh, look at this one here. Which one's? Oh, Water Lily Springs. My little friend is just cutely watching. This one's very nice. Comment below. Tell me what your favorite Bath and Body Works scents are. Oh, okay. And this one, oh, the Dahlia. Okay. Dahlia by Bath and Body Works. I like the bottle. It was nice. I don't remember if I've hauled this before or not. I can't remember. But I'm thinking I didn't, because this order was the primarily more spring, summer things I didn't have. But this bottle kind of caught my attention. But I like the way each one is unique on its own. And then let's see if there's anything else. And then there is the little box, of course, with their little signature. That's their signature box with the blue and white checkers. That way you know you went to Bath and Body Works. So let's get the collection of 3 of Meet Me in Miami. I can show you guys that again. And that was the reason why I got it. My favorite scents. I tried these in the store. So this one, the body cream and the body wash. So super nice. And that one right there. Okay, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Go ahead, hit the subscribe. I'd love to have you as a new friend, and enjoy the beautiful day outside. Bye, everybody.